Good morning. I want to cook. I just woke up this morning and it's time to cook. I want to cook spinach sauce. It's my own signature sauce. Oh Jesus. That's my signature sauce. I want to cook it. This is ginger. I don't like all that noise. That noise. I don't want all that. I'm gonna cover it up. I got this yesterday from the African store. Do you have to wash it first or wash it after cutting up? I think I'll just wash it first. Feels good. I'm cooking. Oh, my hand. I just remembered I promised to run an errand for my friend around 11 o'clock in the morning. It's almost 11 o'clock. It is 10:45, I think. So I had to pause what I'm doing to run that errand for her. Yeah, so I'll be back. Let's go take care of business for maybe my sister per se, but she's my friend. Say hello, you guys. I'm back from running errand for my friend. I'll go back because I was cooking in the house before I left. So let me go and cook.
You said I should say hi to what?
Say hi. Just say hi.
Okay. Hi.
You see, I love you. Yep.
Well, here's my recommend to take down. See, yes, we not just go with greeners, but we move. I continue as the princess that I am not just look at there.
You know, babe, have you read news about fake friends? I'm tired of fake friends. I'm tired of fake friends. Everybody has fake friends. So people are so fake. Who are the fake people?
We are the fake people. Let me not tell you how we are the fake people. Everybody is fake friend to everybody. There are people we value that does not value us. So you just have to find who values you. You understand? In time again or now, we are not in competition. I don't think I have ever woken up one day. I have one single feeling that I may compete. I want zero competition. Or I wake up and I feel like, oh, this girl said, I think she's I don't know, maybe she lies to me, or I just feel like her
energy towards you is not real. She's fake.
Not real. I have known you for how many years? This is a feeling that I've had. To tell you that there is nothing wrong with me.
Okay, enough of that story. I'll take it from here. Here I am. I just added my Titus. I enjoy this pretty well with Titus. Then the next thing I'm going to add here is going to be egg. I have 2 eggs that I boiled already. I'm going to add them here and wait. So while the stew or the sauce was cooking, I decided to cut up my butternut squash. You guys, butternut squash is my alternative for plantain or yam. Normally, I would have loved to use plantain for this sauce, but I opted for butternut squash because it has less carbohydrate and whatnot. And being that I've been on a weight loss journey for the longest time, I'm just gonna keep trying. Even though I fall off sometime, but then I still come back in. So I'm just gonna keep trying my best. This is a root, not vegetable, or vegetable. I don't even know. I'm not quite sure. This is what I enjoy with.
It will happen sooner or later. It's a man.
Thank you for watching my video. This is me showing up my kitchen after cleaning up. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.